Hi, this is Matthias from Droid Air. Our first batch of Gryphon Dynamics frames arrived yesterday and we wanted to show you today how to build one of these frames. We decided to build a Dodecacopter yesterday and today I will basically show you how to build this frame but as a Dodecacopter, which means it has two motors on each arm. Well, first of all, I wanted to show you how to unpack this and what's coming in the box. The boxes are quite small, it's just a frame without a landing gear. The landing gear is also in a similar box, but we'll just need this later on. This is what comes in the frame. It's divided, so you have your accessories, your frame, your grooves, your base plate, your battery plates, and also some other parts in there. It's quite organized in there. You can see here our accessory box is, for example, the camera mount, with which you can use Zenmuse or any other camera mount. Well, it's the standardized camera mount. Our base plates, our battery plates, which are these ones, which are on the up. Our battery plates are these, and the batteries lie on top of the model, so the center of gravity is optimized. In this box we'll find the grooves for the arms, which are all separately packed. And since there are these V-shaped arms, there are 9 of them, you can see here. And here in our frame parts box there are all the other parts you need. For example, the screws, the aluminium parts, it means the motor mounts, and these parts here too, as part of the frame. The aluminum parts are very nicely machined. They are machined from whole parts and anodized afterwards in red or in silver. Well, the box is empty now, and that's all that comes in the box. The best part of these models is that you can drop the arms and put them into a very small space, so you can put it in the back of a car or in a little box to travel with them. And there are still professional frames which are real sturdy and work quite well. They are machined very tightly, so it's not that easy to disassemble them the first time you do it. This is a completely new frame, as I said, and well, it will become easier after some time. Okay, now we get to building the frame. Well, as you can see, these parts come in small bags and they are very organized, so you can find all the stuff you need, for example, for the motor mounts or for the frame. Everything is in one bag, which makes it quite easy to assemble. For tools, you will only need 2 screwdrivers and a pair of scissors. I personally like to use Loctite as well, since the screws are quite small and I don't want them to come loose. And in the next video, which will then be in German, I will show you how to assemble the Dodecacopter.